Hello, Mosh, Bari here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how you can make $1,000 per day by copying and pasting. If you're ready for this, we will start right now. It will go step by step and stick to the end of the video because I will show you everything in a couple of steps. It comes with everything free and it comes with my premium software, 100% free for you, that will actually make it happen. The link will be in the description, but don't go there right now because there are things to learn, and if you miss a point, maybe you will fail to make money. So watch the full video. And if you're like me, use a pen and a paper to take quick notes, like just words, so you remember what I said and don't miss a point. Back in the day when I started, I used to learn from everyone. Go to forums, go to social media sites. Back then in 2010, social media were just starting. Online forums were there and active forum hitters were there. The movers and shakers, the big guys would speak and everybody else would come back and respond to those posts. That was what's happening. I kept reading, watching and buying. Nothing made me money until I started doing what they were doing. Then I started doing stuff that I actually don't know, that didn't help. But when I started doing what I knew, it started to work. Then I focused on one more thing. Basically, total two things, but the second one is easy and that makes sense. But the first one was pretty simple, and I'm going to tell you what the first one is. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we upload our next money making video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way you help them learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way. Done? Okay, back to the system. Step number one, copy from the big boys. That's what I did that actually helped me start making money. So what did the big boy do? Big boys did that one thing that I'm about to show you. First, let's go to YouTube and have some fun. You see, I just cleared my cookies and now YouTube is totally random, showing me random video. This is one of the ways I find profitable niches. I found one video somewhere here. This video, it got 2.8 million views in 4 weeks. So I quickly looked at the channel. This is the video. It's a 4-minute video only, got 2.8 million views. And we struggled to get 10 views, 20 views. Okay. When I came to the channel, I saw they have 215 videos, 290 million views total, which should make them good amount of money, but looks like they're hiding their stats, and that's why these online websites cannot give them how much they're actually earning, but they're earning good amount of money, let's say around $10,000 or so. Okay, now that's not the most important thing here. I will come back to the most important thing. The most important thing is that number one thing that the big boys used to do in the forums back in the day, and still people do on social media and other websites like YouTube, and get millions of views, likes, followings. That one thing is doing what people are looking for, talking about what people want to hear, and give people what they want to buy right now. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, right now. So there is definitely a bunch of people who are looking for something called hydraulic press. Okay, now here's the thing. If I start doing hydraulic press thing, it will not work because I'm not an expert in this niche. But if I start doing what I already know and people are also interested, then it will start working quickly because I know about it. All right, let's pause there for a moment, go to money. So I want to quickly check what's on Amazon, because Amazon has millions of products. If I see a good number of products directly related to this niche, if I see this niche has a bunch of high-selling hot products, then I would know that this is a hot niche that we can go for. Because here is the good news. I'm gonna give you my software 100% free for you. It's premium, but it's free for you. Link in the description. This software will allow you to copy and paste from the big boys and make money. Copy paste. Okay, so I did not look for hydraulic press because hydraulic press, it might be a narrow niche. So I searched with the word hydraulic and I found 100,000 plus results. Okay, and if I look at only the 4 stars and up, and I want to see the number of sales, which is number of ratings received, I see this one is around $20 or less than, like $17 to $18 and 2,398 ratings. Wow. Look at other, This one, 395. This may not be directly related to hydraulic, but this way I am finding new niches. Again, you might be saying, oh my god, Mosh, you said if you don't know about the topic, it will not work. Don't worry, it will work with my tool, and I'm going to show that tool in a moment. Okay, now this way you will find products that are selling. Okay, even there is a product that is like $1,000 price point and people are actually buying it. Wow. This red little guy is around $100 price and 1,785 rating and almost 4.4 stars, so it's that good. Wow. All right, now back to the topic again. I want to make it more interesting to you. I want to talk about Samsung S22 Ultra or Samsung S22 because it's so hot. Now the question you might be asking, Mosh, how do you know something is hot? You know from one of your best friends and my best friends as well. It's called Google News. Just open Google News, and if it's a hot topic, you will find it somewhere. Okay, so now go to technology because I know Samsung is about technology. So go to Samsung and you'll find out. Okay, you see the second result is Samsung S22. So it's so hot. It's that. Okay, now when you go to and search for Samsung S22, you need to locate the movers and shakers, the big boys again. And one of the big boys is Marcus Brownlee, which is MKBHD. If you know him, one of the top tech channel owners. We should also see Mr. Who's the Boss, but I can't see him yet. Okay, you will find him somewhere. Now, 3 days ago, he made one video which got 2.7 million views, and he's also presenting another video which is 210,000 views. And as far as I know, he doesn't make that much videos that frequently, but in 2 weeks he made another video. So basically in 2 weeks Marcus Brownlee made 2 videos about Samsung S22 because it's that hot. Now the time for us to make some money because it's hot. People are looking for Samsung S22. All right, we're gonna go and look on Amazon because maybe we can sell Samsung. Maybe instead of going for Samsung, we can sell something else to Samsung 22 buyers. I mean Samsung S22 buyers. Like example, mobile covers, maybe screen protectors, maybe chargers, maybe magnetic chargers. Who knows? But we are on Amazon. And what do you see? Samsung S20. No, we're not going for S21. Let's go for Samsung S22 and click here. It's an ad. Okay, now you need image, you need content. Don't worry, we're going to copy paste. First we learn from the big boys, then we go to my software Epic, link in the description. You can get it free. This will solve your problem. So instead of doing big videos, because we don't have time, we are lazy. I mean, I'm lazy. I'm assuming you are lazy like me. So click create and go to S22 today. Okay, and we click vertical for making shorts. We create. Now we got a blank canvas, and on the right hand side we are making bite-sized videos only by copying and pasting, and let me show you how. Now you want this image, click here, copy image address and simply paste here, and boom, your image is right here. All right, now to make it dramatic, we're gonna rotate it and we're gonna make it large. Awesome. You want to add some text? Don't worry, copy and paste. Copy and paste. I like this font. Add this text, make it bigger, maybe just like this. No, it looks a little dramatic. Okay, now hey, this video is going to be under 1 minute. It can be 10 seconds, it can be 20 seconds, right? Now we need something more. Okay, we need some text. So how can we do it? Click here, Google News. Yay, we like it. So let's make a story. We want to add a display bug, right? So we are going to add a display bug. So we can go to audio, and I don't want to speak. If I want to speak, I can speak. Let's click here first, add this text. So add text, and we want to read this news. So there are 2 ways to read this news. Click here and record. Early Galaxy S22 Ultra adapters have already run into an annoying display bug. Once you are done, click here, name it, go to recorded audio and click add. Once you add it, the clip size, the video size is automatically your audio size. Now add an arrow to make it more dramatic. The arrow here, it looks cool. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play it. Now here, I want to add the arrow. So arrow is right here, it is highlighted. So I'm gonna scroll it right here. So the arrow will show up. It will be like this. You saw that? Okay. Now save. Now you want to add another video, like it is only a 9-second video, you want to add more, just clone this clip. On the second clip, you want to add more information. So I want to copy this text, again copying and pasting. And here I just want to go to audio, and instead of me talking, I will ask the software to talk. But this text is not mine. So for that, I will go to the text section, go to the text generator, paste it here. I have two options. Either use a spin text, which will automatically spin and create new text, or I will use rewrite with AI. Sometimes this AI creates interesting comments. So I can, just to be safe and save time, I can go for spin text. Let's try with rewrite with AI. The text we see here is not related to what's here. AI has failed, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to click text generator, and I'm simply going to spin the text and rewrite the text. So I will add the text, but I'll put the text here to make it nice, and I will copy the text. Then I will go to the audio section. I will ask the software to add a natural voiceover. So I'm just going to give it a title and select one of my favorite voices and just click submit. Add a little drama here, click save, and we go to the audio section, text to audio, just click add, and you see now your clip is 17 seconds. So if you listen to the clip,
it's certainly still early days, yet after extensively assessing the one brand new.
But at the same time, we're going to add more images to make it nice. So I'm going to copy image address. We want more information, so I'm going to click on another image. I'm going to copy image address, paste it right here, put this on top, this one on top, make it bigger, full screen, add drama. And when I said early, I'll add some timer just to add some more drama. Okay, we can do it in many different ways. Make it small, add it in a corner like this, and put it underneath. So this will come when I said early days. So this clock will appear when I will say early days. So let's do this again.
Certainly still early days, yet after extensively assessing
looks good.
Brand new galaxy.
Okay, your video is ready. You can make it as long as 1 minute because it's shorts. And once you are done, click render. Click OK. Your video will be rendered soon in the background, and once it's ready, you will get an email. Let's finish this video. Yes. Okay. We make our videos using this software every time. You can check our other shorts. The shorts are getting more views and more view times. So YouTube is pushing them and we're getting more and more views. And once you get views, you can ask your viewers, your followers, to go and click your link and buy related items from you, or click somewhere, a referral link, and make money from there. You can direct them to your own store or own product listings, sell and make money. You can drive them to your blog or to your social media sites and make them your followers. Sky's the limit what you can do, but this is the beginning of making money. And once you keep doing it, that is the second secret I told you. The first one, give what people are ready to buy right now. People are buying Samsung S22 right now. Make videos and shorts about Samsung S22. Make more and more videos that is hot from Google News and publish on YouTube. And then the second thing, do it for a long time. Keep doing it. As you do, you grow and you make money. And soon you will hit the $1,000 per day milestone, easy peasy. Go do it. We are doing it every day. You can do it too. By the way, the software Epic is free, link in the description, only for my YouTube viewers. It is not free outside. So go get it, use it, and start making money. Early Galaxy S22 Ultra adapters have already run into an annoying display bug.
Samsung has one more super premium victor on its hands, and also this negative boy is one of the total best phones cash can buy in 2022.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the real way and the right way and the easy way. So hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Share this video with your friends and family, as this way you will help them learn how to make money online. Together we'll all make a lot of money, and we will see you in the next video.